10 Best Quotes of Film Paths of Glory 1957. Paths of Glory. Stanley Kubrick had already made his talent known with the outstanding racetrack heist thriller The Killing, but it was the 1957 anti-war masterpiece Paths of Glory that catapulted Kubrick to international acclaim. Based on the novel by Humphrey Cobb, the film was initiated by Kirk Douglas, who chose the young Kubrick to direct what would become one of the most powerful films about the wasteful insanity of warfare. In one of his finest roles, Douglas plays Colonel Dax, commander of a battle-worn regiment of the French army along the Western Front during World War I. Corporal Paris, the condemned men are awaiting execution. See that cockroach? Cut away to the cockroach. Corporal Paris, tomorrow morning, we'll be dead, and it'll be alive. It'll have more contact with my wife and child than I will. I'll be nothing, and it'll be alive. Private Ferrol smashes the roach with his hand and adds with smiling sarcasm, now you've got the edge on him. General Brulard, Colonel Dax, are you trying to blackmail me? Colonel Dax, it's an ugly word, but you are in a difficult situation. General Miro, I can't understand these armchair officers, fellas trying to fight a war from behind a desk, waving papers at the enemy, worrying about whether a mouse is gonna run up their pants leg. Colonel Dax, I don't know, General. If I had the choice between mice and mouses, I think I'd take the mice every time. Sometimes, the greatest enemy is the one within. This philosophical line touches on the internal battles soldiers face. War takes away our innocence, but it cannot take away our humanity. A stark reminder of the human cost of war. The path to glory is paved with sacrifice and selflessness. Ironically used in a film that exposes the opposite. To truly know oneself, one must confront their deepest fears. A universal truth, given a particular context in the film. Heroes are not born, but made through their actions. A challenge to traditional heroism narratives. In war, there are no winners, only survivors. A sobering reflection on the futility of conflict. There are times when I'm ashamed to be a member of the human race, and this is one such occasion. Colonel Dax. Gentlemen of the court, there are times that I'm ashamed to be a member of the human race, and this is one such occasion. Colonel Dax. If those little sweethearts won't face German bullets, they'll face French ones. General Miro. Patriotism is the last refuge of a scoundrel. Colonel Dax. I apologize for not being entirely honest with you. I apologize for not revealing my true feelings. I apologize, sir, for not telling you sooner that you're a degenerate, sadistic old man, and you can go to hell before I apologize to you now or ever again.